Hello everyone! Today we will explore Google Forms in detail. Google Forms is a free and easy tool for creating surveys, quizzes, and feedback forms. We use it because it helps us collect information quickly, organize data automatically, and analyze results in real time. First, let's create multiple sections. We will ask users whether they prefer to fill in a survey or a quiz. Based on their choice, they will be redirected to the right section. And here's an important detail. If a user chooses the survey, after finishing it, we don't want them to go to another section. So instead of go to next section, we will change it to submit form. If the user chooses survey, we will create a short travel survey. Each question will use a different type. Let's go step by step. First, multiple choice. This type allows the user to pick only one answer. For example, favorite travel destination. Next, checkbox. Here users can select several options at once, perfect when people have multiple interests. Then, linear scale. This question type helps measure interest or attitude. For example, rating cultural experiences from 1 to 5. Here we have the new rating type. Users can give quick feedback using stars. It looks more visual than numbers. And finally, multiple choice grid. It lets users compare several items in a table format, choosing one option per row. To make the survey more engaging, we can also add images, for example, a travel photo. By pressing icon preview, let's see what we have created for now. Now let's create a quiz. We will switch our form to quiz mode and add questions with correct answers and point values. First, a multiple choice question. Only one correct answer is possible. After finishing creating each question, click Answer key, select the correct answer, and assign points. You can give different points depending on the question's difficulty. Once that's done, click Done and the question is ready. Now, a short answer question. Here we need to add all acceptable variations of the correct answer. Checkbox type lets users choose multiple correct answers, useful when more than one option is right. And finally, let's use the drop-down question type. Users pick one of the options from a list. Let's now take a look at our quiz by preview. In quiz mode, you can control how grades are released and what respondents see. Now let's install the Limit. Go to the Add-ons menu, search for the Form Limiter and click Install. After installation, you will see its icon at the top of the form. Click the Start. At the bottom right, a settings window will appear. Here, select Form and set the start date and end date and time for the form. That's it, the limits are now applied. One more advanced feature is issuing certificates. With the Certify add-on, you can automatically send certificates to users who score above 70%. After installing, click on the add-ons icon and choose CertifyM. Then click Show Controls. At the bottom right, the CertifyM panel will appear. Skip the tutorial and turn it on. Next, click Change Template. Here you can select the certificate design or edit the template. In the end of this video, I will show you how respondents receive their certificate by email after submitting the form. Finally, let's take a quick look at how to customize the design of our form. Google Forms allows us to change the header image, background color, and font style. This makes the form more attractive and engaging for respondents. For example, if our form is about travel, we can add a picture of a destination at the top and match the colors to the theme. Before sharing your form with others, it's always a good idea to preview it. The preview mode allows you to see exactly what your respondents will experience. This way you can test the flow of sections, check logic branching, and make sure your design looks the way you want. If something doesn't look right, you can always go back and edit before sending it out. To share your form, click Send in the top right. You can send it by email, copy a link, embed it into a web page. It is also possible to shorten the link. All responses appear in the Responses tab. You can see a quick summary with the charts, view answers by question, or check each response individually. For deeper analysis, send all responses to Google Sheets. You can also get email notifications, download results as a file, or close the form when you stop accepting responses. As you can see here, the student automatically receives the certificate by email once they pass the quiz. That is the end of today's session. I hope this walkthrough of Google Forms was both helpful and practical. Thanks for watching and see you in the next lecture.